Alright, before we get into the charts on Shibu Inu, this article is coming from You Today. Trillions of Shibu Inu dumped by whales in epic 48 hours, but here's buyers. So we got the Shibu Inu market witnessed a whirlwind of activity over the past 48 hours as the whales, the largest investors, dumped trillions of Shibu tokens. The total number of Shibu Inu tokens held by these influential players decreased by a staggering 3 trillion since last Friday. At the start of this event period, the Shibu Inu Whales collectively possessed 661 trillion tokens. However, as of the latest data, their holdings have dwindled to 658 trillion Shibu Inu tokens. It is worth noting that the majority of these influential Shibu Inu holders are exchange addresses, with Binance being the largest among them. Hence, it can be inferred that the dumping of Shibu Inu tokens primarily originated from this particular side. In addition to the massive sell-off by whales, Whale Alert, a platform monitoring large crypto transactions, reported an anomalous movement of 31 million worth of Shibu from Shibu staking to Binance on Friday. Such significant transfers are often associated with sales and interpreted as bearish signals. However, while it's classified as investors holding between 0.1 and 1% of the total token supply, witnessed an increase of 2 trillion Shiba Inu during this period. Ordinary holders categorized as retail acquired an additional 1 trillion tokens. So this is how it is in the markets, right? The smart money is always selling or buying to retail investors or the dumb money, right? Trading is a zero-sum game, so someone wins, there's always going to be a loser. When there is someone loses, there's always going to be a winner. In this case, you have the whales selling to the retail investors. In this case, you want to follow the whales, and so if they're selling, you want to sell too. However, when we go to the charts, we're going to start right at the weekly chart. We can see that price broke an uptrend line that originated back in December. It was broken in April, and since then price has been steadily declining. We've seen this massive sell-off this week as a result of the SEC lawsuit against Coinbase and Binance. Now the question is, can this weekly buyers level hold? This green dash line was where there were remaining unfilled buy orders. Price did absorb all those remaining unfilled buy orders, breached the lower end of the zone before pulling back. The question is, can the buyers continue to come into the market and overtake the sellers? I also envision that some of this retracement is due to folks taking profits, but again, this red candle is specifically the whales selling off their tokens to the retailers. Now we do have a level of sellers that was formed as a result. What I would do is just put it. So what this means is that not only does price have the challenge of moving higher, meaning overtaking the sellers, but now we do have, I'll say, a resistance level right here, which is a seller's zone right here. So what would I do in this case? Personally, I would need to see price take out this level before getting in to go long. This week is going to be interesting. I'm not sure what's going to take place. We might get more FUD, which means more sell-off, but I think we've seen the bulk of the sell-off this past week. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.